Hello everyone, welcome back to Jaragian English channel. I'm Mia.
And I'm Alex. How are you today? We hope you are doing great.
Today we have a very useful topic. We are going to talk about how to use public transportation, the Commuter Line Jabodetabek.
Yes, many people in Jakarta and around Jabodetabek use the commuter train every day. If you are a beginner in English, this video is perfect for you. We will speak slowly and explain everything step by step.
Before we start, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Okay? Let's begin.
Mia, first question. What is the commuter line? Can you explain it?
Of course, the commuter line is a train system in Jabodetabek. Jabodetabek means Jakarta, Bogor, Depok, Tangerang, and Bekasi. The train connects these cities. It is fast, cheap, and very good for going to work or school.
Wow, that's great. So if I live in Depok and work in Jakarta, I can use this train, right?
Exactly. You can use this train every day. It is very convenient. Now, the first important thing is buying a ticket. Alex, how do people buy tickets?
There are 3 easy ways. First, you can use the KRL Access app on your phone. Second, you can buy at the ticket machine in the station. Third, you can use an e-money card like Flaz, Mandiri, or BCA.
Very good, Alex. Let's practice together. Repeat after me slowly. I want to buy a ticket.
I want to buy a ticket.
Good job. Say it again. I want to buy a ticket.
I want to buy a ticket.
Excellent. One more time. I want to buy a ticket to Bogor.
I want to buy a ticket to Bogor.
Now let's imagine we are at the station. Alex, what do you say to the machine?
You touch the screen, choose Buy Ticket, then choose your destination. For example, from Manggarai to Bogor. Then you pay with cash or card.
Oh, really? What if I don't have the app? What should I do?
No problem. You can go to the ticket counter and say, 1 ticket to Jakarta Kota, please.
1 ticket to Jakarta Kota, please. Let's practice. Repeat after me. 1 ticket to Bogor, please.
1 ticket to Bogor, please.
Very good. Say it again. 1 ticket to Bekasi, please.
1 ticket to Bekasi, please.
That's simple and easy. Now let's learn some important vocabulary.
Station, ticket, platform, destination, tap in, tap out, yellow line, rush hour.
Station, ticket, platform, destination, tap in, tap out, yellow line, rush hour.
Great. Say it again slowly. Station,
Station,
ticket,
ticket,
platform,
platform,
destination.
destination. Now, let's talk about using the app. Alex, you use the KRL Access app every day. Tell us how.
Okay. First, download the KRL Access app from Play Store. Then register with your phone number. After that, you can buy tickets or top up your e-money. It's very easy and convenient.
Wow! What if someone doesn't understand English in the app?
The app has Indonesian language too. But today, we learn the English words. For example, balance means saldo. Destination means tujuan. Schedule means jadwal.
Nice. Let's practice a short conversation at the station.
Excuse me, where's the platform for Bogor?
The platform for Bogor is number 3.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
See? Very easy. Let's do it again.
Excuse me. Where is the platform for Depok?
The platform for Depok is number 2.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Next important thing. How to enter the station. You need to tap your card or ticket at the gate.
Yes. Tap in when you enter and tap out when you exit. If you forget to tap out, you may pay more money.
Oh no. So remember to tap out. Repeat after me. Don't forget to tap out.
Don't forget to tap out.
Say it again. Don't forget to tap out.
Don't forget to tap out.
Perfect. Now when the train comes, what should we do?
Stand behind the yellow line. Wait for the train to stop. Let people get off first, then get on the train.
That's right. And inside the train, what do we say?
You can say, "Excuse me," if you want to pass, or "May I sit here?" if you want a seat.
Excellent. Let's make a longer conversation.
Mia, the train is coming.
Yes. Let's stand behind the yellow line.
Okay. Wow, many people today.
Yes, it's rush hour. Excuse me, may I sit here?
Sure, no problem.
Thank you. By the way, how long is the trip to Bekasi?
About 45 minutes.
I see. Do you use this train every day?
Yes, I do. It's faster than a car and cheaper too.
That's great. I want to use it every day too.
Now let's talk about safety and etiquette.
Good idea. First, don't push people. Second, give your seat to elderly people, pregnant women, or people with small children. Third, don't play loud music.
Exactly. Also, watch your belongings. Keep your bag in front of you.
Oh, really? That's very important.
Yes, and one more. The train can be crowded. Be patient and stay calm.
Thank you, Alex. Now let's review all the important points.
Number 1. Download the KRL Access app. Number 2. Buy ticket or use e-money card. Number 3. Tap in and tap out at the gate. Number 4. Stand behind the yellow line. Number 5. Let people get off first. Number 6. Be polite and stay safe.
Very good. Now, here are some practical tips for you.
Tip number 1. Buy a monthly card if you use the train every day. It's much cheaper. Tip number 2. Check the train schedule on the app before you go. Tip number 3. Avoid rush hour if possible. From 7 to 9 in the morning and 4 to 7 in the evening. Tip number 4. Always bring your mask and hand sanitizer. Tip number 5. Keep your ticket or card ready. Tip number 6. Practice English every day with us.
Ha ha ha. Yes.
Okay, everyone, that's all for today.
We hope this video helps you use the Commuter Line Jabodetabek confidently.
Remember, practice speaking every day. You can do it. Don't be shy.
Please like this video if you learned something new. Subscribe and click the bell icon.
Comment below. What is your favorite station? Or, which part is difficult for you? We read every comment.
Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.
Bye-bye. Stay safe and keep learning English.
Bye, everyone.